strong, smooth, and a true cocktail classic. All hail the grand old-fashioned. In an old-fashioned glass, add 10 milliliters of sugar syrup. And 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. Then pour in the bourbon gradually. Stirring with a cube of ice. Add a couple more ice cubes and stir some more. The stirring and melting of ice cubes is a key part in making this drink, so get used to it. Yes, the nails are looking immaculate. Peel a wide slice of orange peel. And twist over the drink to release its flavor-packed citrus oils. Add peel to the drink and stir once again. Don't worry, you're almost there. Add yet another ice cube to top up the glass. Stir again and get ready to enjoy this whiskey wonderland of a drink. Chin chin! Tipplesworth. Cases full of cocktail fun.